We're busybody kids, hey! Get ready for some learning, laughing and games. At Busybody Kids, we always love to play.
I love jumping. Jumping is so good for your body. It gets your body moving and it's a great form of exercise. Do you know how to spell the word jump? J-U-M-P. Jump! Great job! There are some sports that involve jumping, like high jump, long jump, hurdles. But jumping is a really important skill to learn because you need it in almost every sport.
Jump like a kangaroo. A kangaroo can jump over you. They cannot jump out of the water like a dolphin in the summer. Jumping is fun to do. Some pets can also jump, like a cat or a jumping mouse. Frogs can leap while a bunny hops. Grasshoppers jump over the grass. Jumping is fun to do. Jumping is fun to do.
This is a jump rope or a skipping rope. Have you ever used one of these before? Yeah, let me show you. Look at this! Whoa! Wonder how we can use this. This is a big blue bouncy ball. Check this out. Wow! Alright, I'm going to sit on it and I'm going to hold this handle. And then I'm going to jump, okay? We have a yellow and a red bag. We can climb in these and have a sack race. Come on.
Okay.
Which one do you want to be? Yellow.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Busybody Kids.